Look at this. Balcony, jacuzzi top, plus lakeside view in front, and mountains on the side. Parang mini version ng Hallstatt, Austria, pero dito lang sa Laguna. This is Casita Lago. This place is nestled between a lake and a mountain. Sobrang peaceful at grabe yung vibe. Pagpasok pa lang namin, wow, ibang level tong relaxation na to, and I tell you, mas maganda pa to sa personal. So, let's take a quick tour of the room we stay. A super comfy bed, TV with Netflix. One highlight is definitely the bathroom. And here's the best part. One-way mirror yan. So even if you leave the curtains open, you can enjoy a shower while still taking the gorgeous view outside. Spacious yung CR. May toiletries, open closet, two pairs of slippers, kettle, complimentary coffee, and mini fridge. Ang refreshing ng mga drinks. So nagbawas na si Reggie ng isa. Unfortunately, hindi namin na-try yung balsa ride dahil umulan. Pero ang isa sa mga activities, pwede kayo maglaro ng pool, may common area, swimming pool, cabana, or gazebo. Kahit saan ka bumaling dito, puro pang pa-relax lang ang makikita mo. Paggising nyo, may nakaprepare ng breakfast for you, kaya wala ka nang aalalahanin pa, i-enjoy nyo na lang yung view. Imagine, chilling in the warm bubbles while enjoying this view, literal na relaxation unlocked. Ito yung place na gugustuhin mong balikan talaga. Cause each casita has its own unique room style and view angle. Kahit ilang beses kang bumalik, it's always the same relaxing vibe, but the experience always hits different. If you're into unique stays, make sure to add this one to your list.